Hey there. I want to share my experience with the Avenger portable outdoor propane cabinet heater. Now, if you're like me and enjoy spending time outdoors, especially when the weather gets a bit chilly, this little powerhouse is worth a look. First off, let's talk about the heat it puts out. 18,000 BTUs. That's impressive. Whether you're hosting a backyard gathering or just enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, this heater really cranks up the warmth. I found it to be exceptionally efficient, and it warms up the space pretty quickly, which is a game changer when the temperature dips. Setting it up was a breeze. Honestly, I was pleasantly surprised by how straightforward it was. You simply place the propane tank at the back, and it fits perfectly. Plus, with 3 different heat settings, you can easily adjust it to your comfort level. I especially appreciate that it has a pilot light. It makes ignition so simple and gives me peace of mind knowing that when it's off, it's really off. Now, I have to mention a couple of things that stood out to me. One of my friends who loves camping said that having this heater makes those chilly nights much more bearable. It's nice to know that my neighbors are eyeing it too. There's something about that cozy, warm feeling while you're outdoors that just enhances the experience, doesn't it? Of course, no product is perfect. While I absolutely love the convenience, I did notice that it can take up a bit of space if you're limited on outdoor area. But the warmth it provides is well worth finding a spot for it. Plus, knowing that it comes with safety features like tip-over protection and an oxygen depletion sensor gives me added confidence, especially when I have family and friends around. The design is sleek and somewhat compact too, making it easy to move when needed. If you're someone who enjoys outdoor gatherings, or perhaps you just want to enjoy a quiet night on your patio, this heater is definitely a fantastic companion. Overall, my experience with the Avenger portable outdoor propane cabinet heater has been positive. I truly appreciate how it combines functionality with safety. It's like having a warm hug during those cooler evenings. If this sounds like something that could enhance your outdoor experience, I encourage you to check out the link in the description below to learn more. So stay warm and cozy out there on your next adventure.